Hi, my name is Jolly Kesmia, and I welcome you all to Earn Digital Cash. Of course, you know Earn Digital Cash is a platform where I train people how to trade forex successfully. All right. If you want to learn how you can trade forex, like know some indicators that you can use to trade your boom and crash successfully, and how to use those indicators, please check my previous videos. All right, just watch them and you see some of the interesting lessons there, and you'll have pick one or two things, learn and use it to uh, have a successful trade. Okay. All right, before I go on, I would also like you to know that on N Digital Cash, I don't just teach you how to trade forex trade, boom and crash. Also introduce you to other online business that can earn you good cash. These are online business that I'm doing and I'm earning from them. If I'm not making money on this online business, I won't be posting them. All right, so if you want to know some of this online business, you're interested, you should check the description box of this video. You will see link to some of the online businesses that I do that earn me money. Okay, so that's that. Okay, but before I proceed, let me just quickly tell you about a new business that is on. All right, a new business that is on. Okay, you can just check the description box of this video. You will see that's the only business link that I post in the description box of this video. All right, make sure you click on that link and learn more. You earn 1% daily of your investment. Okay, of your investment. Minimum investment is £25 in this business. They deal with pounds alone. Okay, and you can decide to lock your any. There are two ways to earn. You can either invest and earn dividends daily, or you buy a share. You lock your money, your investments, use it to buy a share. After 6 months, it will generate you a huge sum of money. For example, you invest like £100. After 6 months, you'll be getting like over £4,800. That's huge. Okay, so you can check the description box of this video. You will see the link to this business and you can read more. Okay, without wasting time, let me just go straight to the business of today. Today teaching you how to I'll be teaching you how to trade boom and crash on 5 minutes time frame. All right, 5 minute time frame. I mean 5 minute time frame, and how you can trade successfully. I will show you how to use the accelerator oscillator to trade this particular boom and crash 5 minutes on time 5 minute time frame successfully. Okay, so without wasting time, I don't want this video to be long, so let's just go straight to business, and let me just show you guys what I'm talking about. Okay, all right, so guys, uh okay, I'm on the 1 minute time frame. I'm on crash 1000. Okay, let me go to the 5 minutes time frame. So I'm on 5 minute time frame now, and you can see that the market has been good so far. You can see the white candle. All right, the white candle that is going up, it shows you that the market has been good, because on crash the candle goes up, all right, while on boom the candle goes down. Okay, which and is the color is black, while on crash the color is white, depending on how it is on your own dashboard. Okay, but here I'm using a mobile to trade, so and to make this video. So the market has been good so far. Okay, so how do you trade 5 minute time frame successfully? How do you do it, and what indicator do you use? There are several indicators that you can use. Of course, I'll be showing you some of these indicators, all right, as time goes on. Please do subscribe to my YouTube channel, so that and click on the thumb bell, so that you get notification of my videos. Okay, I don't just post videos here All right, I've done forex trading for quite some time, and I've used these indicators and I've used these methods, and they are paying me. So I decided to share my knowledge with some of you out there that are struggling to make money on forex trade. All right, all you just have to do is follow me carefully, subscribe to my YouTube channel, click on the turn bell to get my notification, and watch my videos. Okay, and I bet you won't regret it. Okay, so now, how do you trade on 5 minute time frame successfully? First of all, you'll be using the accelerator oscillator. Of course, the accelerator oscillator is the indicator that I'll be showing you here, and this is the accelerator oscillator indicator in the window here. This is it. Okay, the red, of course, you can see a red this thing here. If you check, you will see a red uh, a red line there, and if you see here, you see a green line. Okay, what does this signify? This the red on crash, the red means that the market is on downtrend, while the green means that the market is on uptrend. Okay, the market is on uptrend. While when you go to boom, the red signifies that the market is on downtrend. The green signifies the green I mean signifies that the market is on uptrend. Okay, so how do you now trade successfully when you're on crash? Of course, you know that you only trade when the market is on uptrend. All right, first of all, how do you know? When you see that the stick the line turns from red to green, it means that the market is good. Okay, forget about the fact that the first line here, you are seeing a crash. The first green line here, when you check the first green line here, I'm talking about here, you see a black sign showing that it crashed. But before that crash came up, that candle have froze more than it has, I believe it has gone more than 4 minutes. You can see you can see the sign there, the line before the black down. It shows that that candle has climbed more than 5 minutes. Okay, more than 4 minutes before it crashed. And the crash is just a small crash that you can actually recover. You can see that it continued going up, it continued going up, it continued going up. All right, you can have over 10 to 15 minutes trade when you see that the lines have become green, because this green line is showing that the market has turned in your favor. Okay, there is another way for you to trade in a very successful way. When the green line is down, the way you're seeing it like this, when it's from here like this, where you're seeing it, it's just down and going up a bit by bit, bit by bit, bit by bit. Then you will see from this place now, you will see that it started going up above the green lines that are down. This shows you that the market is completely going up, is going up completely. Okay, is completely on an uptrend. Okay, so what you now, this is a very perfect time for you to come in and pick a 5 minutes candle. Okay, you can also trade when immediately it turns green, you can just pick a 5 minute candle. All right, even if a crash comes in, it does not crash that bad, you can see. And but if you're too scared, like you're scared if a spike might come in, you just wait for it to get to this small line. All right, this small line seen here, just wait for it to get there. Let when they start going up, and that one is going to come and it will go up again. It means that the market is really at your favor. Okay, it's going to work in your favor. So you can just you can decide to uh, trade at that point. It will be easy for you to milk the market. Just 5 minutes is okay for you, and you are out of the market. Okay, there are so many signs here. Well, okay, when you see, all right, I'll also be showing you I'll also be showing you indicators other indicators that you can use to support this indicator to get more successful trades. Okay, to get more successful trade. But before I go out of here, let me just give you an advice. Okay, I will give you this advice at the end of this video, so make sure you watch this video till the end. Okay, so hear this advice I want to give to you. So let's go to crash sorry let's go to okay let's go to crash 500. Okay, let's go to crash, sorry about that. Let's go to crash 500. All right, I'm still on 5 minutes time frame. Okay, you can see crash 500, the market is not really good. Okay, you can see that the market is not really good. So but anytime, you can see that anytime it turns green, anytime it turns from red to green, it means the market is going up. You will see every sign. Even if a spike comes in at that point, the spike does not hit very hard. Okay, it does not hit very hard. I will show you an indicator that you can use uh, to support this. Okay, I will show you an indicator that you can use to support this, so that you can have a very successful trade. Okay, so that now the market is really going down, is really on down trend. So I won't advise anybody to trade at this moment, except for those that are selling. Okay, so let's go to boom 1000. Let's see. So this is boom 1000. On boom 1000, of course the market is on uptrend. Of course, I'm on 5 minutes time frame. The market is on uptrend, and you can see the market is not in your favor. But anytime it turns red, just the way you're seeing here, you can see more than 5 minutes here. How many candles do we have there? 1 2 3 4 5 6 6 minutes. So 5 minutes, I mean six candles. So okay, 5 minutes times six, that's about 30 minutes. 30 minutes of successful trade. Okay, of course I have an advice to give you guys, but that will be towards the end of this video. You can see anytime wherever it turns red, you see that there is always a successful trade there. Even if a crash comes, all right, it's not that effective. All right, it's not that very effective to stop you. And even before the crash comes in, you must have gotten your 5 minutes and disappear from the market. Okay, I will see always advise you guys, even if I'm showing you this, make sure you practice on your demo account. Practice this very well on your demo account, so that you will get a particular strategy on this that will suit your trading, so that it will not affect you and tomorrow you start blaming me. Okay, so make sure you trade on your demo account very well to perfect on this. So let's check boom 500 and see. Okay, of course you can see on boom 500 too, the market is on uptrend. The market is on uptrend, just like boom 1000 is on uptrend. It's on uptrend. And of course you can see the red candles there. You can see you can see, all right, you can see the red candles. You can see. Okay, so I'll be showing you guys other indicators that you can use to support this particular indicator. All right, to support it, so that it can help you to trade very successfully. Okay, the market is on uptrend now. I won't advise anybody to trade right now. Okay, but on 1 minute time frame, let's check 1 minute time frame, it might be different. Like, of course, even on 1 minute time frame, the market is still not good. So I will not advise anybody to trade now. Okay, don't trade until you see a red line comes up. Okay, that's when you can trade. And when the red line comes up, you see it going down. It shows that it's going down. There is when it's going that it will get to a point where it will be very effective. That is, it's really going down. At that point, you can just stake a trade, all right, and milk the markets within 5 minutes. Okay, guys. So what's the advice that I said I'm going to give to you guys? Please and please don't. People always tell you to start trading with $10, start trading with $20, and by the time you jump into the trade with $10, $20, you want to build your account so that your account will become huge. All right, please, I will always advise you guys, if you want to start trading, make sure you start with at least $50. $50, even $50 is still not okay. $100 is okay, because some and if you start with $100, don't go and start trading with $1. Don't just start trading with $1. Don't just start trading with $1. There is a wisdom, there's a way you trade. There is a particular lot size that you should trade, even if you have $100, for you to avoid loss of money. People have $10,000 in their account, people have 8,000, people have 5,000, and then they are trading $10. They are trading lot size of $10, 10.0. Some are trading 5.0, 5.2. Some are trading uh 2.2, like that. Some are trading 3.2. And then you that started with $100, you want to start doing the same thing with them. The moment a spike comes up, you can lose so much money, and fear will grip you, and that will make you to go out of the market, and before you know, you become emotional. All right, so to avoid that, when you invest $100, I will advise you to start trading with at least a very small lot size, at least 0.3. 0.3. I repeat, 0.3. To be honest with you, I used to trade with 0.2. All right, why? Because if a spike comes up, all right, if a spike comes up, I won't lose more than $2. I won't lose more than two, mostly when you're on the right track, when you follow this the right way of trading. All right, when you follow the indicator very well. All right, when you go into the market patiently and wisely, you see, with that little loss, even if at the point of trading a spike comes up, you won't lose much, uh maybe $2. All right, so when you see that you've lost that money, you can still be in the market. So what you do is just $3 $3 and recover that $2 that you have lost instantly. And the moment you recover it, go out of the market immediately. The moment you recover it, go out of the market immediately, and then wait for another opportunity, then return back to your little lot size, and continue like that. That is how to trade wisely, and before you know, you're growing your account. And don't trade more than at least 20 times a day. Don't trade more than 20 times. Alright, the minimum is 10, but you can decide to trade 20. Don't try to trade up to 100 times. Some people, you want to just start trading and be making like $10,000 in a month. You need a huge account for that. All right, you need a huge account. You can't start trading with a small capital expected to be gaining that huge. All right, so be wise. These are some of the mistakes that you guys make, and at the end of the day, you lose your money. You start blaming this market. It can go against you despite the indicators, whether custom made indicators or follow come indicators. The market can decide to just go against you, but these indicators are meant to guide you, because even if a spike comes up, you won't lose that much when you are on the right trend. Okay, this all these indicators are tested and trusted. But however, if you need custom made indicators, very powerful custom made indicators, you can contact me. All right, my contact is in the description box of this video. You can contact me on WhatsApp or join my WhatsApp group. Okay, and let's chat. You can book a one-on-one training session with me. Okay, a one-on-one training session with me, and I will train you very well on how to trade boom and crash. Okay, and If you need indicator, custom made indicator, please contact me and I will introduce you to that. And don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Click on the thumb bell so that you can get notification of my videos. Okay, in our next video I'll be showing you more ways to trade and make money successfully. But don't forget to practice this on your demo very well before you apply it to your real trading account. Okay, please and please. All right, thank you for your time. Thank you very much for your time. I'll see you guys next time.